Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily magnify dock icons on mouse hover on the new macOS Big Sur update. So we have installed Big Sur, we have updated it. If you want to update from macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur, you can refer the link in the description of this video. So let us now see how we can magnify dock icons. Right now you can see the dock icons is visible. On mouse hover, it's not magnifying. So let us see how we can magnify it. For dock settings, go to the Apple sign, click on System Preferences. Herein guys, click on Dock and menu bar. After clicking, you can see from here you can change the dock size. You can position the dock left, bottom, right. I'll keep it to bottom. To magnify, herein magnification is visible, but it is unchecked. Just check it. And now, how much you want to magnify? I've set it. Now I'll keep the cursor and you can see Chrome magnified, Safari magnified, all the photos, messages, FaceTime, all these icons, whenever I keep the cursor, magnifies. You can see. Let's take it to max and let's see what will happen. It will be huge. You can see, okay, you can see Google Chrome, it's huge now. So we have magnified it on keeping mouse cursor. So last example, I'll just keep it to middle and now let's say I'll go to the calendar. You can see the calendar icon magnified on keeping the cursor. So guys, this is how you can magnify dock icons on mouse over, that is keeping the mouse cursor on the new macOS Big Sur update. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.